Hey guys, the global chip storage is a much bigger problem than everyone realized, and it will go on for longer too. Samsung appears to have delayed the launch of the Galaxy S21 FE. Multiple source claims that the South Korea giant's production plans have been set back because of the component storage. According to a report by South Korea, which has now been deleted, Samsung has suspended the production of the Galaxy S21 FE due to the chip storage. It's a bad news for the Samsung fans. The company had already warned in March that it was expecting the storage to affect its business in the next quarter. It's believed that the widespread semiconductor storage played into Samsung's decision to not launch a Galaxy Note series phone this year. And the release of the company's latest mid-rangers, the Galaxy A52 and A72, has apparently also been delayed in various markets for the same reason. More recently, it was reported that the launch of the budget Galaxy Tab S7 FE has been delayed in most markets because of the global semiconductor storage and a resurgence of COVID cases in Vietnam, where most of the Samsung phones production is conducted. Samsung was earlier expected to announce the Galaxy S21 FE in August alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3 and the new smartwatches. Recent reports about the Unpacked event, where the company will likely reveal the new products list, made the no mention of the Galaxy S21 FE. While most source claims that Samsung abruptly halted Galaxy S21 FE production because of a chip storage. Well-known tipster Ronald Quant seems to suggest that production never started in the first place. That's quite unusual for a phone that's elegantly 2 months out for release, especially given that the Z Fold 3 that was apparently spotted to share the stage with the device at the next Unpacked event has already entered production. Samsung has apparently gone as far as cancelling part orders, which means production's plans have been put on hold indefinitely. Samsung wants to keep what limited Snapdragon 888 chipset it has for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3. The FE was rumored to feature the same Qualcomm chipset. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.